Today, we will use a US letter size paper to fold this paper airplane. First, make a half fold. And then, open up. Take the top edge and fold down about 5 centimeters. Take the corner and fold the top edge to the center crease. And fold the other side. Take the top point and fold to the intersection point here. Next, we will make some reference creases. First, we will fold the edge to the top, and then fold the other side. Now we can see 2 creases here, and next we will fold the layer along the edge, and we will see new crease here. Next, we will pull the pocket and make new edge. Line the new edge with the crease here. Do the same things on the other side. Fold like this. Line the new edge with the crease. Take the corner and fold the edge to the edge. Fold the other side. Okay, now we can see we have 2 tabs here. Then take the corner and fold to the center crease. Fold the other side. And then we will tuck the 2 tabs into the pocket here, and slowly okay. Next, make half fold, and then we will fold the wings. We'll start from a little bit above the nose. Slowly drape the wings over the corner and just cover it. Flip it over and fold the other side just to match it. Now we can adjust the rings to make it a flat wheel. You can also kill the part and it will fly back. Okay, the plane is ready. Thank you. See you next time.